This is your unofficial 17. Now the experiment given to me is to work with HTML5 using media elements. That is, I have to add a video and I have to create a form and I have to put various details in it which are given in this question. And now this is my program. Now here I've created the title as Spy Cinemas and I've given the used various CSS commands to align in center and I've imported the image here and I've given color as blue so that the Spy Cinemas is displayed in blue and the table which is given as 1080 and cell spacing is 5, cell padding is 5 and it is aligned in the center. Now here I've added the table element in the center such that the color is blue white and this is the link which I displayed inside it and the name that will be displayed for the link is Wikipedia and I'm going to align this in the center. This is the JavaScript function which I've used, which is used for the form. These are the various commands I've created in the table and aligned in the center and given the name as Spy Cinemas and I've given some details about it inside the table and I used a video which I've aligned in the right. And this is the form for which I've given sign up, first name, last name, which is used to log in. And now in the center I've given the address of the website and also the mobile number to contact. And I've also given in the right and iframe which is used to show the location of the cinema so that the location can be imported inside. These are the various commands I've used. Now for creating the form I've used various commands. That is that I've given the title as details and inside the form I've created field set and legend as personal details. I've created a table here inside which I've created a row and I've given first name and I've taken the input as type text and I've asked the user to enter your first name. So next is the second name. I've taken the input type as text and I've asked him to enter the second name and this name would be taken from the user and I've asked him to enter the gender and for this I used a radio button and so the two radio buttons are used, male and female. If he selects male he will be a male, if he selects female he will be a female, she will be a female. And now I created another row for which I've given the value as date of birth and I'm taking the input as date and next I'm taking age and which is a number. The age has to be between 0 and 160 and now I'm getting the telephone number and it's a placeholder which is used to show anything whichever is visible on the box inside the box so that the user can look at that and he can type anything he wants. So here the number is given and next I'm getting the mail ID from him and the type is email so that he enters an email ID and giving the example as abcd@no1.com and next is that the progress which is given the value is 0 to 100 and span ID is sprawl 0% of that is how much ever you complete the percentage will keep on increasing. Now the table is closed and inside the next division I created a legend called educational details and given the table with border 3 and I'm giving the name which column name as qualification and inside qualification the options given are 10th, 12th and board or university inside which we studied and the country, starting year, ending year and percentage. The user has to enter various things and checkbox is given as 10th. It is given as checked because when it is given as checked, the 10th value has always to be entered. It's always to be entered, and now the various values are got, and the date number are got. Now again for 12th, I have given it as checked because everyone should have studied 12th. So that value is also got. The university in which he has studied, his name, whether it is out of India or inside India, and date or number and etc. Next checkbox is for BTech and I'm getting the university and the same details. And next one is for MTech and this is not checked because he can choose whether if he had studied BTech or MTech, he can choose anything. Now in the next table it is given as progress 30 to 100 because the profile completion percentage will be from 30 to 100. Next is that the legend is given as general information and few words about yourself inside which we have to enter any information about us. This is a box which is displayed so that he can enter any values. Text area rows 8 columns 80 so that the rows is 80 and rows is 8 and columns is 80 so that he can enter any text within this about himself and we have to upload the resume. For this we are getting a file and the progress value is from 20 to 100 and This keeps on increased as we complete the profile. Now I'm going to show you my website. Sorry, it is taking some time. As it is a bit of week, so it takes a lot of time. Now this is my audio. Sorry, just to play and show you. Next this is my video here. Sorry, the connection is slow. Video. Now here I've given Wikipedia, which is an external link. I'm opening it in a new tab. And you're able to see the Wikipedia about Spy Cinemas. Now this is a Google search. Whatever you search here, you'll be able to get it. Now this is spycinemas.com. This is a link to Spy Cinemas website for booking the tickets. So this is the website. Next I've given the address of it here, and type is private and industries entertainment, and it was founded in 1978 and headquarters is Chennai. And now I'm giving the location of the cinemas here. It is near Brookfield. So now the address is given here as India City, Chennai. Now I'm going to give the first name and last name and sign in. I'm just giving it as Jairaj or Jairajan, and I'm giving the last name also as Jairaj Jai, and sign up. Now it goes inside the form for which we have to fill in the details. I'm filling in the details. His first name is Jairaj, and I'm giving this as Jai, and I'm selecting male. And the date of birth is entered as 29 6 1998, and the age should be between 0 to 160, 1 to 160, so I'm giving it as 18. And telephone number and examples already displayed. I'm giving it as the number is given, and it's asking for the email ID. I'm giving it as there as 319. So next I have to choose this. I studied in ICSE, so I'm giving it as ICSE. And now I'm selecting studying inside India. Starting year, ending year, and all the details have been given. The percentage has to be given. As we complete it, this percentage gets increased. And this is a few words about myself. We can type anything. Typing I am Jairaj. And now we can upload our resume here. And if you click the submit button, it will get submitted. If you click the reset button, it will get reset. And if you get cancelled, it will go back to the old page. So this is my web page which I created. This is the question.